Children, hope all of you are fine. Today we will going to start a new chapter, a treat for mosquitoes from class 5 EVS. A treat means what? A small type of party. Okay, sometimes you want to give some party to your friends. I want to give a treat to my friend like this. Okay, small type of party. Let us see what type of treat, that means what type of treat or party the mosquitoes are getting through this chapter. Okay, now let's start the chapter. Blood test. Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. How are you now? Asked Aarti. I'm all right, Rajat replied softly. Just Kirat. You must have played a lot while you were at home. Rajat. Who wants to play when you were have fever? On top of it, I had to take a bitter medicine. I even had a blood test. Jaskirat. A blood test? Why? It must have been very painful. Rajat. Actually, when the needle pricked my finger, it felt like an ant bite. They took 2-3 drops of blood and sent it for testing. That's how we came to know that I had malaria. So children, how you will test malaria? By doing blood test. Okay, Nancy. But you get malaria when a mosquito bites you? Rajat. Yes, but we find out by blood test. Jaskirat. There are a lot of mosquitoes in my house these days, but I did not get malaria. Now so many types of mosquitoes are there, children. So Jaskirat is saying that he is having so many types of mosquito in his house, but he did not get malaria. Nancy. Who says that every mosquito bite causes malaria? Malaria is spread only by the disease carrying mosquitoes. Aarti, all mosquitoes look the same to me. Rajat, there must be some difference. Look children, the mosquitoes are very small and they look all same. But the mosquitoes which causes malaria looks different. Okay, this one. Taking the blood on the glass slide for test, malaria spread through female mosquitoes. Anopheles. And name of that mosquito which spread malaria, which causes malaria, is special type of female mosquitoes, and the name is Anopheles. Okay, Dr. Mariam looking at the blood slide under the microscope. This microscope makes things look 1,000 times bigger. The detail inside the blood can be seen clearly. There are some microscope which make things look even more bigger than this one. So microscope help us to see even a tiny things from it. Okay, Nancy, did they take the blood from the place where the mosquito had bitten you? Rajat, of course not. How do you know when and where the mosquito bite me? Nancy, but how could they find out that you had malaria by your blood test? Do you think they could see something in the blood? Find out. Do you know anyone who has had malaria? So answer will be yes. One of my friend once suffered from malaria. Okay. Malaria here, M-A-L-A. Okay. How did they find out that they had malaria? By doing blood test. What problem did they have on having malaria? So what are the symptoms of malaria? Symptoms of malaria: high fever with body ache, vomiting and weakness, body ache, body pain. What other diseases can be caused by mosquito bites? The other diseases are dengue, chikungunya, etc. In which season is malaria more common? Why do you think this happens? Malaria is more common in rainy seasons because mosquitoes breed, that means multiplies, and lay eggs in water-logged and damp places in rainy season. What do you do in your house to protect yourself from mosquitoes, and also find out from your friends about what they do? So answer is, we adopt following measures to protect ourselves from mosquitoes. We use mosquito net, we keep our surroundings clean, we do not allow water to get collected in our surrounding, we use mosquito repellent cream. Okay, these are some of the steps to prevent malaria. Now look here, in my left hand side there is one blood report. Okay, clinical pathological. Here the name of the patient is Rajat. He is 11 years and he is having fever with chills and rigors, and after blood test malaria parasite found in blood sample. Okay, now medicine for malaria. From early time the dried and powdered bark of the cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for malaria. Earlier people used to boil the bark powder and stain the water which was given to patient. Now tablets are made from these tree. Okay, this is the picture of cinchona tree. Anemia, what's that? Aarti, I also had to get a blood test done, but they took a syringe full of blood. The blood test showed that I had anemia. Rajat, what is that, Aarti? The doctor said that there is less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. The doctor gave some medicine to give me strength. He also said that I should eat jaggery, amla, and more green leafy vegetable because these have iron. So, when there is a deficiency of iron in your body, then you will get what disease you will get anemia. And to cure, you have to eat jaggery, amla, and green leafy vegetables because it contains iron. Okay. Nancy, how can there be iron in our blood? Jaskirat, there are something about this in the newspaper yesterday. Rajat, laughing. So then you ate iron or what? Aarti, silly. This is not the iron used to make these keys. I don't know exactly what it is. After I ate a lot of vegetables and whatever the doctor had said, my hemoglobin went up. Went up, okay? Here what is said that iron means that iron, the iron which is made used to make key, lock, that is different, and the iron we get from the vegetables is different, okay? Anemia common in New Delhi. This is the report published on the newspaper. 17 November 2007, thousands of children studying in the municipal corporation school in Delhi suffer from anemia. This is affecting both their physical as well as mental health. Due to the anemia, children do not grow well and their energy levels are low. This also affects their ability to study properly. Now, health checkups are being done in the schools and health cards are being made for all the children. Anemic children are also being given iron tablets. Now there it is written what happens when you get anemia. So answer is this affect both physical and mental health, and due to which children do not grow well. Understand? And the energy level will be low. These are the symptoms of anemia, and to cure it you need a iron tablet and the vegetables and fruits that contain iron. Let's come here. Clinical pathology report and clinical pathology report 7. First one is done on 26 2007 and the second one on 15/9 2007. Name of the patient is Aarti, age 12, and she is female and diagnosed as anemia. And the hemoglobin, the level of hemoglobin in the blood is 8 gm per del. 8 gm gram per deciliter. Okay, you will read like this. Then after 2-3 months, it is found that hemoglobin level has increased and it has came to 10.5 gram per deciliter. Look at Aarti's blood report and find out the minimum required hemoglobin. The minimum required hemoglobin is 12 gram per deciliter. How much did Aarti's hemoglobin go up and how long did it take for that? Aarti's hemoglobin went up by 2.5 gram per deciliter and it took 2 months and 25 days to rise it up. Number 3, what does the newspaper report say about the problem caused by anemia? So answer is here. The newspaper report says that anemia affects both the physical and mental health of affected children. They do not grow well and their energy levels are also low. Anemia also affects their ability to study properly. Question number 4, have you or anyone in your family ever needed to get a blood test? When and why? Yes, my uncle had to go for a blood test about 6 months back. Here it is written she, but you will write he, uncle, he, okay? He was suffering from fever. What was found out by the blood test? The blood report said that my uncle was suffering from malaria. Have you had a health checkup in your school? What did the doctor tell you? Yes, I had a health checkup in my school few months back. The doctor said that I was fit and healthy. Now find out question. Ask a doctor elders about the food item which contain iron. Just now we have read that what are the fruits and vegetables that contain iron. So food item which contain iron are spinach, beans, cabbage, lettuce, pomegranate, apple, etc. Jaggery is also there. Baby mosquito. Jaskira, there is a poster on malaria just outside our class. So this is the poster, okay? Rajat, the poster says something about larvae. What are those? So this is the picture of larvae, and larvae means a small baby mosquitoes. They are baby mosquitoes, but they don't look like mosquitoes at all. Aarti, where did you see them? Nancy, there was an old pot lying behind our house. It was full of water for some days. When I looked there, I saw some tiny thread-like grey things swimming. I was surprised when Mummy told me that these had come out of the eggs which mosquitoes laid in egg. They are called larvae. I also heard something about this on the radio. So this is the picture of mosquito larvae. Rajat, what did you do? Nancy, Papa immediately threw away the water. He cleaned and dried the pot and kept it upside down so that no water would collect. So from this we came to know that when the water is kept for a long time, then that is the breeding place for mosquitoes to lay eggs. Jaskirat, Sajya auntie told me that even flies spread disease, especially stomach problem. Now flies also cause some of the disease, but flies don't bite. Then how do they spread disease? How do they spread disease? Because when the flies carry some disease, they sit on the food which we eat, and that food if we take, then we will get that disease. Have you seen any poster like this up to anywhere? Yes, I have seen such poster near my school. Who do you think puts up such poster or gives ads in the newspaper? The government puts such poster and give ads in the newspaper to spread awareness among the people about its preventive measure. Number 3, what are some of the important points given in the poster? Now, what are the given important in the poster information? This is the poster. So, information is name of disease spread by mosquitoes, measure to be taken to prevent growth of mosquitoes in our surrounding, and ways to protect ourselves from mosquito bites. Now, question number 4, why do you think picture of tank, cooler and pits are shown in the poster? Because these places are the favorable site for mosquito breeding and multiplication. Question number 5, why do you think it talks about putting fish in the tank? It talks about putting fish in the tank because the fish eats larvae of mosquito developing in water. What will happen when oil is spread on the water? We know that oil is lighter. In the last chapter we did the experiment that it floats on the top of the water. So when the oil is spread on water, the eggs and larvae of mosquitoes growing there would have been killed. Find out which diseases are spread by flies and how. Diseases spread by flies are dysentery, cholera, typhoid, anthrax, etc. Now these things you have to do yourself, okay, at home. Make a poster. Question number 2, find out who is responsible for keeping the area around your school clean. Write a letter from your class reporting your finding a suggestion. Find out to whom the letter should be written and to which office it should be sent. So this letter we will do in our class, and in the description box you will find out the letter, okay. Now answer, within the school authorities are responsible for cleanliness. Outside the school, municipal authority is responsible. Now let's come here. Yes, now these are the group 1 and group 2 are doing some type of experiment. Group 1, we found something green around the tap in our school which is called algae. Due to algae, it had also become slippery there. The algae spreads a lot during the rainy season. We think that they are some kind of small plants that grow in water. So this is the picture of algae. Group 2, there is a pond near the school. At first you cannot see the water in the pond as it is completely covered with plants. One auntie told us that these plants have grown themselves in water. Around the pond there are pits full of water. We also saw some larvae in the water. As we moved around, lots of mosquitoes flew from the plants and growing around. Jaskirat feels that there are so many mosquitoes in her house because of this dirty pond nearby. Okay, is there a pond or river around your house or school? Go and look around and observe this thing. Can you see algae in and around the water? Yes, I can see algae in or around the water. What else have you seen algae? I have seen algae on the surface of the ponds and pools, near the drains, hand pump, dam places, etc. Are there plants growing on the side or in water? Find out their names and draw some of these in your notebook. Some of the plants which grow on the side or in the water are liverworts and mosses. These are the picture of liverworts and mosses, okay. Do you think these are planted by someone or did they grow on their own? They grow on their own. What else can you see in water? Make a list. So what else you can see? You can see frog, mosquito, larvae, tiny insect floating in water. Now this is a picture of a scientist, Ronald Ross. These interesting things took place almost 100 years ago. A scientist found out the mosquitoes spread malaria. Let's read about the discovery in his own words. My father was a general in the Indian Army. I studied to become a doctor, but what I really liked was reading stories, writing poetry, music, and drama. In my free time, I enjoyed doing all these. In those days, thousands of people used to die from a disease that we now call malaria. The disease was found in areas where there was a lot of rain or in swampy places, damp places. Okay, people thought that the illness was caused by some poisonous gas that came from the dirty swampy area. They gave it the name malaria, which means bad air. Now what is the meaning of malaria? Bad air. At that time, one doctor had seen tiny germs in the blood of one of the patient, and when he observed it under a microscope, but he could not understand how this had got into the patient's blood. My professor had some ideas about this. I think that these may be carried by some kind of mosquitoes. As his student, I spent all my time chasing mosquitoes to catch and absorb. We used to carry empty bottles and chase mosquito after mosquito. Then we would put the mosquitoes into a mosquito net in which there was a patient of malaria. The mosquitoes would have a feast biting these patients. The patients were paid 1 anna for allowing one mosquito to bite them. To find out, to do some that means new things. So patients are allowed to bite, and they were given 1 anna for that. I will always remember those days at the hospital in Sikandrabad, how we used to cut open the mosquitoes to peep into it. I would spend hours and hours bent over the microscope. By night, my neck would be stiff and my eyes could not see clearly. It used to be very hot, but we dared not to fan ourselves, as all the mosquito would fly off in the breeze. Once I also fell ill with malaria. I spent months like this with the microweaver but could not find anything. One day we caught a few mosquitoes that looked different. They were brownish with spotted wings. When I looked into the stomach of one of the female mosquitoes, I saw something black there. I looked closer. I saw that these tiny germs looked just like the ones that were found in the blood of malaria patient. So at last they find out the result. Okay, after so much hardship, at last we had the proof mosquitoes did spread malaria. So this is the special type of mosquito that spread malaria. In December 1902, Ronald Lode called the highest award for this discovery the Nobel Prize for Medicine. In 2005, even as he lay dies, Rose's last words were, I will find something new. Now what we have learned, what can you do so that mosquito do not breed in your house, school and neighborhood? So what you will do, we can prevent mosquito breed by not allowing water logged in nearby areas, spraying DDT and kerosene oil in drains and pits, etc., cleaning the coolers and water tanks regularly. Number 2, how can you find out if someone has malaria? A positive blood test to diagnose malaria will confirm that person has malaria. So children, you have understood the topic. You will read it again and again, okay, and try to understand it.